in the category of industrial goods, the certificate of merit goes to Asava Insulation Private Limited. May I request Mr. Manish Asava, Managing Director, Asava Insulation Private Limited, to come on the stage and receive the award. Please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Manish Asava. So first of all, I would like to ask that how are you feeling after receiving the SME Empowering India Awards from the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of India?
First of all, I would like to thank jury members as well as organizing committee for considering us for this prestigious award. I would also like to thank all the members of Asava Insulation as well as our customers, consultants and clients for having a faith on a young company. So I am feeling delighted as well as proud on getting this award.
Please brief us about your manufacturing facilities and the range of products and its facilities.
So AIPL is into manufacturing of PIR panels, which is polyisocyanuric panels. These are composite products. We are manufacturing it under the brand name of Smart PIR panels at our facility which is located in Mumbai. We also are carrying a facility which is in Hyderabad, Sri Lanka as well as Kolkata to reach to the local requirements. We are also into manufacturing of metal products which comes with various shapes. Also air distribution products, cable trays, wire supporting systems. However, our primary product is still Smart PIR panels. The biggest advantage what people get with Smart PIR panels is it's 100% green building product. It is CFC free, HCFC free. This is 2 hours fire rated. Also, it has the world's lowest thermal conductivity. And this product is basically a conversion of a conventional technology, which is sheet metal ducting with insulation, to a newer products, newer generation products, and are widely used for various applications, whether it is industrial, commercial, automobile or residential. So with this newer technology, we are sure that we will be able to change the dynamics of the Indian industry.
It's been 11 years since AIPL's inception. So how has been the journey so far?
The first 3 years were very tough because people were not having the belief on a newer company. But over a period of past few years, we have developed our key strength in not only into manufacturing but also into services, with which we were able to cater to more than 7,000 projects in Indian market. So I guess that's a good number. I'm sure that people are having now confidence on our products as well as company, and we will be definitely able to boost their confidence again by developing new products and innovation in our industry.
How are your products different from the other companies in your industry?
The biggest advantage what we carry as compared to the conventional technology is a composite product. It does not require metal as well as insulation. So first of all, these are cost economical. This definitely reduces the cost of a customer at least by 20%. Second is life. Our product life is more than 10 years. Number 3 is Asava is the only company in India which are also into services. So whatever products what we manufacture, we also see that it gets installed in the proper manner at the client's end. So that generates faith and confidence that the product will not have a failure, and the company will definitely be taking care of all the aspect of the duct, irrespective of whatever is the industry. So with that, we have created various innovations. We have filed for various patents in various sectors based on the market requirement, based on the challenges in their projects. We have incorporated those challenges into our products so that we will be able to cater to their project's requirement, which will serve their purpose and which will bring down their capex costs on a long run.
We got to know that AIPL has received awards like SME Award from the Maharashtra government for the best performance in SME sector, Bharat Nirman Ratna Award, Most Promising Brand Award, Air Systems, National Innovation Award in Manufacturing. So can you brief us about the innovation?
The biggest innovation which we feel as a manufacturer which we have done in the ducting industry is we have created a new shape with a pre-insulated PIR sheet. It's a flat oval shape. The reason for that innovation was because when we were manufacturing the conventional technology, what we learned was that the product cannot be changed into various size. I mean, the product cannot be designed as per the client's requirement. So with our product, they are getting that ease to pick and choose the right sizes for all their requirements. Number 2 is the site modification, which is the biggest trouble in the previous technology. With our product, the site modifications are always possible. Number 3 was the transportations and the logistic issues. So with our products, we are also trying to bring down the cost of the logistic at least by 10 times as compared to the previous technologies which were available globally. So with these three factors, what we have innovated was we have reduced down the consumption of adhesives in our product, which is making our products more greener. The product is more self-sustainable, and plus the life of our products are more than 10 years. So I'm sure this product will definitely create a new dynamics in the Indian industry in our air conditioning field, and I'm sure people will definitely be having a faith on our company, with which we were able to generate a newer product into the Indian industry.
Wish you all the luck for the future. Thank you so much, Mr. Manish, for joining us.
Thank you
here.
so much. Thank you.